Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to design a combination spanner. This is how it looks like. On one end, you will have a polygon with n number of sides, and on the other side, you see a curve like this. So we are going to use Design Modeler to make a model of this spanner. We will start by clicking on Geometry. Next, we'll go to Geometry, right click, New Design Modeler Geometry, Units, Millimeter, XY plane, look at. I'll start with sketching. If you look at this, we will be drawing two circles on both the ends, then a connecting line between the two. So we will start with the use of circles. I'll give the dimensions of the circle. Say one is 25 and the other is 20. I will also give the distance between the two circles. Say it is 86. Next I'll go to draw and choose line. Next I'll give dimension. Both are say 6 mm. Next I'll go to draw and choose polygon. I'll choose a hexagon. Next I'll go to draw and I'll draw a rectangle here. I will give it dimensions. Say both are 6 mm. Next I'll go to modify and use the trim option. Next I'll go to fillet. The radius is 2.5 and I'll give fillet on these sides. So this is done. Next I'll go to concept, surfaces from sketches. I'll select the entire sketch, apply, generate. So this has got a surface now. Suppose if I want to give it a thickness, I will go to extrude. I'll select the geometry, add material, direction is normal. I'll give the depth as 2 mm and generate. So this is how you can model a combination spanner in Design Modeler. You can go to sketch and right click and hide sketch. You can see all the dimensions are gone. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood how to model a combination spanner using Design Modeler of ANSYS Workbench. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.